Previously.
So we're here at Raoul's Automotive. Here getting the roll cage installed so we can go to Super Lap Battle, hopefully.
If everything comes in.
If everything comes in.
We're still waiting on parts.
Still waiting on a splitter now, a diffuser, brake pads. We also are going to take it and get it wrapped.
I think if they told you what all was involved in this, like, you probably would not do it.
And now the conclusion.
Okay, so this is going to be the same thing. We're going to need extra down.
I got the washers.
on this.
Hopefully they line up.
Okay, that one's good. You want to do that one first?
Well, make sure they line up first.
Okay, so push it through. It'll go if you push it. That's right at the edge. Yeah, you're good. Now the other one. Oh yeah, that was good. All right, let me go ahead and get this one over here on the outside.
You got it, man. Cheese.
All right, let's go. A little bit at a time. Keep coming. Keep coming. That's probably all you can go. You might do a little to hit it one more time. Good God, that's close. Are you tight?
Yeah, it's pretty tight. It's spinning now, I think.
Okay, do it. A little more. Okay, that's it. That's all you can. I mean, look under here and see what you think. I mean, that is fine. Oh, we got about it. I'm going to go with a 1/16 of an inch of clearance.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Think we're good?
Yeah, let's not, let's hope that gas tank doesn't move around.
Let's hope none of this shit moves because, yeah, that's a problem.
Ready?
Yeah.
We good?
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
Another one. All right.
Oh, all right.
All right. This side is done.
Still loose like a son of a bitch. All right, you gonna put that together and we're gonna drill the back holes?
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this all set up and then we can just move to the back ones and see what we got to do there.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're gonna have to take those inner panels off so we don't drill
On the
into,
inside of the,
so we don't drill into something we don't want to drill into.
right. You got it?
No, hold on, don't move it. Okay, pull it out. Pull it out! Pull it out, man, pull it out!
We good?
Shit, which one am I?
Let's see. Let's see.
No shit, I don't even know which one it is. I think it's that one with the scribes. I think, yeah, because that's the drill. Okay, yeah, so it's these. Okay.
All right, we're going to punch those holes and then we should be able to stick bolts in there, bolt it up to it.
Yes, sir.
And then we should be able to, we should be good on this side and we move to the other side. All right, same thing. All right, wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. All right. John has all the cool tools. What were you saying I was aggressive about? Tearing your car apart.
About what?
I said, what were you saying I was aggressive about?
When?
Earlier you said, I took a lot more time with Bo's car. You're aggressive. What were you talking about?
About ripping the shit out of the car.
Well,
we don't need to. We're not
Get it out.
Well, what else are you supposed to do? It's just supposed to come out. You said it's got little pins on it. Okay, here it comes. If it's got bolts, okay, I'll take the bolts out. If this is no pins, just popping out.
So this is the cage installed.
You got better.
All that's left to do is put the interior back in.
Because you got a bad knee.
Well, Scott's doing it.
Yeah, I'm not doing it anyway.
Oh, I thought you had 2 drivers.
Well,
Yeah.
sort of.
I'm really gonna drive.
He's not count. His time's not going to count.
Oh, okay.
But
I'm not fast.
So this is going to be the first official one that they do at CODA, right?
Yep.
So, and it's going to be 5.
I think it's 5 25-minute or 20-minute sessions every day.
And do they do the fastest lap of your car?
Yes, of the weekend.
So you could have a really fast lap in the morning.
Yep. So
and
you could go out
weekend.
and beat everybody out on track, and then it could start raining, and it could rain all weekend, and your dry time's the only one that counts.
Yeah,
So it's
that's kind of good and bad.
it's fast. It's as fast as you can go on the weekend, and then the top 5 or 10 fastest cars will do the super lap, where it's just them out on track. They go out, they do a warm-up lap, they do a flying lap, they do a cool down, come in, and the next car goes. That's gonna do it for this upload. Please subscribe. We have more super lap battle videos coming. More Jason's knee.
Or Jason's bad knee.
Anyways.
The gas pedal knee and not the gear, the clutch knee.
Anyways, take care. Have a great day.
Maybe you should take